Do you want to make short videos of your art for Instagram Reels and TikTok, but you're not sure how to get started? Then this class is for you. Hi, I'm Julie. I'm an artist, surface designer, and entrepreneur from Vancouver, Canada. I'm also an online educator, teaching other artists about how they can sell their own art online through my blog and now here on Skillshare. I love making short videos of my art and coming up with fun and creative video ideas. I decided to create this class to show you some really simple ways that you can make short videos of your art. And no, you won't have to lip sync, dance, show your face, or even talk. So in this class, I'm going to take you through how to set up and film 2 simple videos of your art. Then I will show you how to edit your videos. I'll also show you all the different places where you can post your videos. And finally, I'll leave you with some more ideas and tips to help you on your way to creating more short videos from your art. All you're going to need for this class is a piece of your artwork, a few props if you have them, your phone, and some free apps. I'll show you more about that in the next lesson. So are you ready? Let's get started.